Hey Virion. Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media. Top 4 Best Motorcycle Multimedia Player Review. Number 4. Feature 1. Bluetooth function, Bluetooth music after connecting it to Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth hands-free calling. 2. Supports TF cards and Type-C flash drives. 3. Supports wired and wireless Android Auto, Carplay. 4. Wired phone screen mirroring. 5. IPX8 waterproof level. 6. Supports dashcam input and recording. Number 3. The C5-C7 Android motorcycle screen is a waterproof, IPX7 rated display designed for GPS navigation and multimedia. It features wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless connectivity on the road, even in tough weather. Perfect for riders needing clear navigation and hands-free control. Number 2. This 7-inch waterproof motorcycle touchscreen offers wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS, and TMPS. Equipped with anti-shake technology and night vision cameras, it ensures safe and seamless video, navigation, and multimedia access while riding, even in challenging weather conditions. Perfect for versatile, hands-free road assistance. Number 1. The 5-inch motorcycle display screen is a waterproof multimedia player, designed for easy navigation with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support. With GPS, Bluetooth, and IPX7 waterproofing, it's a versatile companion for motorbiking, providing multimedia, directions, and connectivity in a compact, durable screen. If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.